Good day everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a do-it-yourself disinfectant. Here are the materials that we need for our demonstration. Water, bleach, specifically Zone Rocks, measuring cup at most 10 ml, and an empty bottle. So the first thing that we should do is we must pour 1 full 10 ml of bleach. As you can see, it is 10 ml. Now we will pour it into our empty bottle. The ratio of the bleach and the water should be 1 cup of bleach and 9 cups of water. I'm going to pour the water. After pouring 9 cups of water and 1 cup of bleach, we just have to mix it gently. You don't have to shake it because it will only make the solution less effective. Now that we have mixed it gently, our disinfectant solution is now ready. We just have to transfer it to a sprayer, and that's it.